0 to Professional English Course. A creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 15. Discussion at meat shop.
Zahid and Faizan are living in the same street. One day, Zahid wants to buy meat. He is on the way to the shop. He comes across his friend Faizan. They talk as follows.
Today, my elder brother is coming back home after 1 year.
So, you are going to receive him now?
No, I'm going to a meat shop. We have to prepare a delicious dinner for him.
That is really good.
Will you go with me?
I do not know where the meat shop is in this locality. Do you know?
Yes, there is no meat shop in this locality.
Then where do you buy meat from?
We go to Damariaganj to buy meat.
Where is it?
It is 5 kilometers away from here.
Is this meat shop very famous in Damariaganj?
Yes, this shop is very famous in this locality. All people go there to buy meat.
Okay, let us go then.
Yes, let us go.
They both reach the meat shop and talk with the butcher as follows.
Hi, mister, how are you?
Hello, I am okay. How about you?
Yes, I am fine too. Actually, I want meat. Do you have fresh meat?
Yes, sir, we have very fresh meat.
Okay, then give me 2 kg.
Okay, I will weigh it right now.
Put the liver and heart as well.
Hello, sir, these are not for free. These cost money.
How much will they cost?
You have to pay 200 more for this.
Okay, no problem. Put it in the polythene.
Okay, I will put. Anything else?
No, that's all. Now tell me, how much should I pay you?
1,000 rupees only, not more.
Okay, here is your money.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.